Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view your screen time on the Facebook app on the Android smartphone device that you own. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the apps tile on this page. And then underneath apps, you want to select where it says all apps. And then scroll down again and select the Facebook app. And then scroll down and select where it says screen time. And it should tell you your daily usage. If you click a little drop down up to the top, you can select hourly or by day. And you can use this little scroll thing down here to actually go further back in time. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.